used those pieces of legislation that empowers me as a Premier of the province to appoint a Commission of Inquiry. And the reason why we wanted a fully fledged Commission of Inquiry is for us to have the necessary power to subpoena, the necessary power to protect, but the necessary legal framework that will guide us on how to deal with this situation. We needed a retired judge that has an understanding of the law, independent from all of us, so that we can get the necessary guidance out of the recommendations that are coming from the Commission. So the work of this Commission will not overlap or interfere with the investigations that are done by other law enforcement agencies. As indicated, the retired Constitutional Court Judge, Justice Sisi Hampempe, will chair the Commission, supported by Advocate Tulani Makubela as well as Mefuela Matilda Mabena. We've given this task to be divided into two phases. The first phase of establishing the cause of the fire, including who must be held responsible, have given the team 2 months to conclude that task. And then the second phase is the one that is very difficult. The judge said to me, she wishes she can share my timelines, but she feels that it can be a difficult task to check the prevalence of hijacking of buildings and what caused this and many other related matters. So we've given the team until the end of April to give us the final reports. 77 people died. Should we just leave it at that and say they died, it's fine? Or should we find who was responsible for the cause of those particular deaths? In terms of undocumented people that's the reason why the Commission must give us ideas. How do you have undocumented people residing in a business? Who knows their names, who knows it? And there's information that is also starting to develop. When the identification of bodies was going on, we start to get that some of the names that we thought are real names of people are different names. So we have a person that leave their home country as name X, they reside in, say, KZN, change their names, they went to Free State, change their names, and they come to Gauteng, they have a different name. And when a disaster like this hit, you've got 4 people that wants to claim the same body, but they've got different names. So I had to convene an agency meeting with ambassadors of SADC to agree to a quick fingerprinting identification process so that they can allow us to use their databases, the population databases of their country, so that we can overcome such challenges,